Hey people, I was thinking that diving is like a walk in a forest. So many plants growing, so many different plants growing. We're diving and trying to find something new. It's the same like picking up the wild mushrooms. It's something really exciting which makes us keep diving. Have you ever been thinking how many hidden things we have in this underwater world, or if we just simply change the light? Have you ever seen these videos with a blue light? I have a blue light, but I don't have this special glass which makes you, it's like a filter which makes filtering out some particular color. I don't have that one. I will try to find it and then it will be the theme for another video. But today I would like to show you what is the principle of these barrel corals, which looks like a barrel. That any barrel coral is like a filter which is filtrating water, and we have so many of them in Bunutan. These corals filtrating the water through them, and that's how they get the food from it. At the same time, they also cleaning the water. How to see it? And there is a different ways how you can do it. Today I'm going to use the food coloring. I mixed it with the water. It's absolutely harmless for the reef and for the corals, but it shows you how the water from the bottom of the coral goes through the coral and then disappear in the mass of the water. That's the today's plan. It's like a kind of experiment. I never did it before. I was so excited to see it and to show it to you. I hope it will be something I'm expecting, and it will be spectacular and you will be able to see it on a video, because sometimes something you can see you cannot transfer through the videos. I hope I will be lucky enough to do it. idea about the food color wasn't really successful. I have to find another color which is more bright. This one was like pretty dark, and I wasn't able to see anything. I used the light. It didn't change anything, absolutely. Anyways, that was a nice dive. It doesn't matter it was successful or not, but I have to read a little bit more and have to check how the others did it, and then I will go back and do it. Thought of today. There was a discussion today. Someone said, yeah, people don't like me. What means people? There's definitely someone who likes you. I think it's more talk about that not all people like you. That's something you have to accept, and it's really strange if someone don't understand that you cannot be liked by everyone. There will be always someone who will not like you by some reason. There's hundreds and thousands of reasons why someone is not like you. For example, if you will do something and because of that people will get jealous, maybe you're doing it better than them and they don't like you anymore. If you do nothing, then someone is jealous because you can afford to do nothing and still be happy, and someone will not like you. And that's the thing, is like you just simply relax, focus on your own things and just live. If someone like you or not like you, why you care so much about that? It's simply life, and it is what it is. It took me a while to understand it, but when you understand it, it's so good feeling actually. Of course, time after time you're always going back to the same stuff and start thinking, why don't people like me? But again, as long you calm down a little bit, sit and think about that, it's not that important anymore. That was my day, trying to find something interesting to show you. Experiment, like I said, wasn't really successful. At least I got a really good shots of the reef. That part of the reef is my favorite. That's most fishy part of the Bunutan reef. It's always surprisingly full of the fish. We still don't have a good visibility. I'm kind of surprised. But on the other side, if the visibility is not too good, it means there is a lot of nutrition in the water. There's a lot of food for the fish. All right, thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow me, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.